Hey everyone, and welcome again to my channel. Today we're going to replace the brakes on this 2008 Suzuki Grand Vitara. So I already took off the wheels, and what we're going to do today is replace the brake pads, but we don't going to replace the disc because it has still material on it. So actually I still have meat left on my pads, and soon when I take them off you can see it, but I'm replacing it because, well, take a listen. You hear those squeaks every time I press the brake. I hear those squeaks. It came from friction of metal to metal because the last man who did this job, it didn't add some grease on the meeting points here and here. So we're going to take them off, use some new brakes, and add grease where we need it. Before we get started, important warning: if you are not sure that you have the skill to replace the brake yourself, do not do the replacement. Get help from an experienced guide or a professional. The brake system is one of the most important systems for your safety. If you also want to change the rotor, you can insert a bolt here on these holes, and it uses a puller, so you can extract the disc. Usually it don't come off very easily. We just want to use a metal brush to clean the surface of the hub, and then add some grease, and then replace it with our new rotor. now we can go for a test drive. But remember, when you are having a new pads or even a new rotor, you want to be cautious for the first 50 or 100 kilometers, because the pads and the rotor still need to be in perfect fit for each other, and it takes some time. So good luck and see you on the next video.